purple galore. Got purple hair, purple lips, purple eyes, purple everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, in case you couldn't tell, is going to be all about purple. Purple is my favorite color, just in case you didn't know, or one of my favorite colors. That's why I have purple hair. That's why I'm wearing this shirt with some purple in it. Shout out Jonas Brothers, Happiness Begins, Happiness Continues, out now on Amazon Prime. So I decided that it would be fun to play around with some color. And so I kind of want to do this series where I post a video like every couple of videos doing a different colored makeup look. So today is purple. We could do green, red, pink, blue, whatever colors you'd like to see. I will definitely do that for you guys. This isn't anything revolutionary. This is a super simple look. But I just thought it would be fun to play around with makeup with you guys. And yeah, all the products that I use today are going to be in the description below, just as usual. Also, this is probably one of the shortest videos that is going up, just because there wasn't much to it. But I don't know, I say that now and watch it still be like 20 minutes long. Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to add. I don't think so, so let's get into the video. Alright, so I've already primed my eyelids. I use the Anastasia eye primer. I don't believe they make this in the full size anymore, but you can get the mini one at Ulta. You might be able to get the full size on the Anastasia website, but I'm not 100% sure. If so, I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, so today we're going to be using the 35i Icy Fantasy Palette from Morphe. It looks like this. I love the packaging of this, or like the outside, not the back, you know what I mean, this part. And this is kind of like a pastel looking palette. If you've never seen it before, this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It's got tons of nice pastel colors with a couple of more deeper colors, but for the most part they're all pretty light. And so we're going to use this today to do a cute little purpley look. So to start off, I'm just going to put a lighter shade in the crease. I'm going to go with like a cool toned crease today. I do this every so often because I do love my cool toned looks, but I'm going to go in with this like gray shade right here, and I'm just going to put this kind of all over. You don't have to be super neat with it because we're going to clean it up afterwards anyway. Let me come a little bit closer. And like I said, many of these shades are pretty light, so it's, you know, barely there. So what I'm going to do is go into the shade right underneath it, this one here. I had the little plastic thing that had all the names on it, but I don't know where I put it. So I'm just going to point to the shadows and show you which ones I'm using. All right, so I put that in the crease as well. It's like a grayy purple. It has like the very slightest purple undertone to it, so that's gonna look nice under as a base. So now I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm using the same brush for all these shades, and go into this shade right here. It's another like gray purpley shade, and I'm just gonna take this and put it in the crease and kind of put it all over the lid as well. Okay, so we got that base down. As you can see, it's a very light wash of color, but it's there. Now we're gonna go in with the big boy. We're gonna go in with a flatter brush into this beautiful purple shade right here and put that on the lid. Okay, going back into this shade right here, I'm going to just go in the crease one more time to blend those two shadows together. And then I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray and just wet my brush to intensify the application of that purple shade. And as you can see, that just made the slightest difference. It made this purple just look a little bit brighter, a little bit deeper. Just a little trick. For underneath the brow bone, I'm going to go in with this top shade. It is, I would say it has like, it's like a silvery whitish color with like purple and blue reflex in it. And so that'll match nicely underneath the brows. Alright, so that's the majority of what we're going to be doing on the eyes. I know it's super simple like I said, but I'm just going to finish the rest of my face makeup and then I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay, so I put some bronzer on. I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Blush, I used this NARS Narcissist palette in Wanted, and I used the shade Notorious, I believe. It's this one right here. I know it's not that purple, but it was the most purple blush I could find. So, and then for highlighter, I used an old one. I'm pretty sure this is limited edition. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed highlighter in Prismatic Amethyst. Actually, this might still be available. If it is, I'll link it below. But this is just like a really pretty silvery highlight with a bunch of, well, I guess it's more of like a pinky highlight, but that's the one I used. So that's what I have on the face now. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette and I'm going to basically do something similar to the bottom that we did to the top. So let me find a good brush. Okay, so I'm gonna get this like little pencil brush. This one's from Morphe. And I'm gonna go first into that light gray shade right there and kind of put this not all over the bottom lash line, but make it kind of thick, if that makes sense. And if you don't make this funny face when you're doing this, did you even do it right? Okay, same with this shade right here. Okay, then with this darker shade, I'm just gonna put it on the outer corners. Oh no, wrong one. And have it connect like from the top to the bottom. All right, and that's pretty much it for the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner. I have the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Grape. Perfect shade. Wow, that grayish color underneath the eyes really added to the bags. It's great. I mean, what was I expecting? So for mascara, I originally had this guy. It's the ColourPop BFF Volumizing Mascara in Plum and Get It. But as you can tell, it's a bit more of like a maroon shade than purple. I guess it's like plummy. And we're going for a little bit more pastel. So as you can see, this one is much more on the pastel side. It's the same mascara, but this one is in Purple Prose. And let's see, you may not be able to see it that well on the eyelashes once it's on, but for the sake of the video, this is what we're doing. So You can kind of see it. I don't know. I feel like I want a little something extra on the eyes. Oh, we didn't do an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to take the highlighter that I used, that Becca one, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the inner corners. And then I think I want a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette one more time. And I'm going to take, let's go with like kind of the subtle one. I was going to go with this guy right here, but I think we'll go in with this one in the second column. And I'm just going to take some on my finger. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, can you see that? It's got like purple blue reflex in it. And I'm just gonna put that right in the center. Oh yeah, that adds just a hint of sparkle. I like it. I like it. Just gonna finish it up with some setting spray. Down to the end of this one. And we gotta keep with the purple theme, and so I'm going in with this liquid lip. I know this is way more of like a plummy purple than what we went for, but I still think we gotta keep with the purple. And the other option I have is this, and this is way more of like a pink than a purple. So, and it's like, doesn't match this either. So we're gonna go with this. I should probably tell you what it is. It's the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Chaps. Pretty sure this was limited edition. It's the Amanda Steele collaboration, and mine's probably kind of old, but we're gonna put it on anyway. And I probably should put on a lip liner. Will I? Okay, I will. Let me go get one. Okay, the closest thing that I have to purple is this. And this isn't gonna go at all. So we're gonna forego the lip liner and hope for the best. I guess I could use the eyeliner, but that's kind of not sanitary, and nah. Here we go. This could go terribly wrong. This is what we've got. All right, so I'm certainly feeling purple. What do you guys think? Do we like this? Do we hate it? Let me take my hair down. I'm kind of digging it. I love purple, as you may have noticed, so I like it. I probably wouldn't wear this out. Maybe I would. I don't know. All right, guys, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed me playing with some purple makeup. Definitely let me know in the comments below what color you'd like to see me play with next. I don't have like green lipstick or anything, but we can work something out. I can just do, you know, the eyes, focus on the eyes. But yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!